And you look like you got something on your chest that you're wanting to tell us, but you're upset to tell us about. Is there something you want us to know about?
No, I'm just going through a lot.
It sounds like you guys are going through a lot, especially with his dad. I mean, what it make it sound like? You're trying to find him. I understand that.
Well, not even just today, but in general. I mean, we're separating. And,
Right.
like I said, we're staying with my mom. It's just out.
Do you think he might have a gambling problem?
No.
It's okay if you do. I'm not here to judge you if you do.
No, I mean, I don't think so. I didn't realize that.
Did you gamble a little bit when you got here? That's why they offer self-exclusions from this place. It's because people need help and they exclude themselves to get help so they don't gamble all their money. And my family went through that. It's an addiction just as much as alcohol or drugs can be. And it's okay to admit it. I'm not here to judge you. I'm not here to say you're a horrible, horrible human being because you like to gamble some money. I'm not here to say that. What's up?
You want to stay in the hospital and get him checked out? Do we have family coming to get him?
Probably. Do you want him to be checked out at the facility or anything?
Yes. I mean,
Riley, he's stable. He's fine.
he's been. He hasn't had any issues.
My only concern is he's been in that car since 9:30 this morning.
His dad wasn't out here. They didn't say.
They didn't say, but they said they just said you were out here at 9:30, and seems like time flew by and we lost track of time.
Because his dad and his friend were supposed to. No, it's just me. I just try to call and see you.
Okay. Sit tight with me for 1 second. What's that? Yeah, I guess he's on a feeding tube.
He's been out here since 9:30 this morning.
Yeah, that car is running, but it's not like
Yeah, it's
right. Right. Let's see what they say real quick. The dad never came out or anything, right? Okay, because that's what she's asking.
Do we know his name?
I haven't asked yet, but we just told her, camera showed this, and then she quit saying that, and we're talking about possibly having a gambling addiction. So I told her that if that's the case, that I'm not here to judge you about that, but she said she was gambling when she got here. So, but did they say they saw anything between 2 and 3 or anything?
No, 9:30 this morning, and no contact with the car.
I'll ask him his name, see if we can ID him, find him. Baby might be going to the hospital, especially if he's been in the car since 9:30 this morning. So, if they could have that pulled up, I'm sure me or Skimbo want to go up there and look at it, hopefully. So, give us a second. They said since 9:30.
Somebody go to kid, get a hold of the